Hello everyone, welcome back to yet another YouTube video. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to buy this Jindo Inu token coin using Trust Wallet. Jindo Inu, initial JIND, is the token coin built on the Binance Smart Chain. The coin has listed on this coinmarketcap.com 2 days ago, and the last 24 hours of trading is over 2 million. The coin have a very high volatile right now and already gone past around 40% in our last 24 hours. So please invest with the cautions. Since this Jindo Inu is based on the Binance Smart Chain, we can buy this token coin using PancakeSwap version 2. So let's find out what exactly is this Jindo Inu is about. So Jindo Inu is the token coin. They also are planning to make some NFT, DAPP and swap. So this look like it's going to be the token coin and the community owned token. As always, this is not my financial advice. Please do your own research before the investment. Please read their white papers and all the documentation that available on their website before the investment. So without further ado, let me show you how to buy Jindo Inu token coin on Trust Wallet. By the way, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video and share this video with others. Don't forget to hit this notification icon so when I make a new video like this, you will be notified. So as always, you can see my Trust Wallet is shared in the screen and I'm going to perform all these activities using my mobile phone. So on your Trust Wallet, if you don't have this browser option enabled, the 4 dot on your Trust Wallet, please go to your mobile browser and type trust // browser _ enable and press go on your mobile phone. Your mobile browser will ask you to open this page on a Trust. Once you click to open, you will have a browser option enabled on your Trust Wallet. Once you have a browser option enabled on your Trust Wallet, please click on it and scroll down a little. On the popular section, you can see PancakeSwap is listed there. Tap to the PancakeSwap and click to connect and choose your wallet. I have a Trust Wallet, so I'm going to click to the wallet connect. As you can see, I am connected with my PancakeSwap using Trust Wallet. As Jindo Inu is based on the Binance Smart Chain, we need to have some Binance Smart Chain balance. As you can see, I have 0.0101947 of BNB Smart Chain. Now I'm going to copy Jindo Inu Binance Smart Chain contract code from the coinmarketcap.com. And I'm back to my Trust Wallet. On the place where it says select currency, I'm going to click here and paste the token coin that I copied from the coinmarketcap.com. As PancakeSwap found the coin that we are about to buy it, Jindo Inu, this is exactly the coin. I'm going to tap it and it is selected now. So I'm gonna buy this coin with a 0.01 BNB and click to the swipe. Once you click to the swipe, you can see how much you are spending and how many coins you are expected to receive. As you can also see what is the price impact and what would be the liquidity provider fee. I'm going to click to confirm swipe and as you can see my Trust Wallet is activated. It looks like I need to have some more gas fee, so I'm going to reduce the balance. So while buying the coin in the PancakeSwap, if you find difficulties what amount of balance you should be spending on, you can click to max and it will be automatically determine how much money it will cost you for the slippage tolerance and how much you would be paying for this. So I just click to the max and this is automatically adjusted based on my balance, and I'm going to click to the swipe and confirm the swipe. So that is a price update. I'm going to accept it and confirm the swipe. As you can see, the worth of 0.06 of BNB, I'm going to pay $0.46 of network fee, and in total I'm paying 0.53 cents in total for this purchase. So let's send the amount. As you can see, this is executed and we can see this in a BSC scan as well. The hash code is created now and my Trust Wallet smart contract is executed and status is pending right now. So let's refresh the page. It is succeed now. Let's go back to our Trust Wallet and see if we receive our Jindo Inu token coin. Jindo Inu. It's already a 2 days old coin, so I should be receiving this coin in my Trust Wallet anytime soon. Sometime if you don't see the coin here, you can just tap to this 2 dot on your right corner of your Trust Wallet and search for the coin. Jindo Inu. You can see I found the coin here, and you can enable it by tapping on the coin, and the coin is enabled now. Let's head to our Trust Wallet and see. Yes, as you can see, I received my Jindo Inu token coin on my Trust Wallet. This is a very little amount of Jindo Inu I just purchased as lack of the balance. But however, the purpose of this video is to show you how to buy this Jindo Inu token coin on your Trust Wallet. I hope you understand how to buy this Jindo Inu on your Trust Wallet. So if you think this video is useful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Smash that like button and share this video with others. Don't forget to hit that bell notification icon so when I make a video like this, you will be notified. Until then, take care and see you.